morning. It is a sunny, clear morning. It is approximately 9 o'clock. Slept at Mollies Ridge shelter, and it got down into the teens and was 20 when we got up this morning. Put on damp clothes from yesterday because there's no sense in dirtying up clothes that are dry in case I run into it. But was never really cold, but never really warm all night either. So got into the sleeping bag probably 6:30 at night and never got out again this morning until like 7 o'clock, 7:30. So looking forward to a warm up today. I don't think it's gonna get that cold again tonight, but we'll also be at about 5,500 feet at the next shelter, which is Derrick Knob shelter. So throughout the day, I'm gonna gain a little over 1,500 feet in elevation, and I'll do what I do, try to show you the trail as I see it. Gotta get rolling. Okay, here's the trail this morning. Just hiked out of Mollies Ridge shelter, went up about 300 feet, and then I'm on what would be considered a ridge walk. I'm sure you can see the Smokies through the woods. If I go to the west though, there's farmer's property way down in the valley, but it's in the 20s right now, moving up into the 40s, high 40s today. So hiking with all my gear on, and then I'll slowly start to take jackets and hats and gloves off, but I'll keep you posted. But mostly ridge walk, up a mountain, ridge walk, up a mountain, ridge walk type of day. All right, gotta get rolling. Oh, we do have one really nice view, I think at Hard Rock, and I'll take some video there. Have a great day. So that range you see in front of me is where I'm headed. The trail's sending me down into a gap, and then it looks like it'll be a pretty long up, but hopefully it'll be a steady up, and then I walk that ridge the rest of the day over there. But sunshine changes your attitude even if it is cold out, and right now I still got all the jackets and gloves on, but hiking downhill you don't work up as much as a sweat. So trail is generally dry. I just walked across a frozen kind of waterfall with ice on it, but other than that, right now the ground is still frozen from overnight, which makes it firm and easy to grab with the shoes. All right, gotta get rolling. Quick break. Made it 3 miles here to the next shelter, and very similar to Mollies Ridge. Got an outdoor place to cook and 2 shelves inside for sleeping and a fire pit, and then just down over the hill is the water. Nice place for a morning break. Got about 5.9 to lunch. Got to get rolling. Okay, we're at our lunch break, and this is our view. Gotta admit, this is not a bad view for lunch, and we are already halfway through our day mileage wise. We've got probably 6 left now. We just did the 0.3, and if you can see up there is Rocky Top, and we will get even a better view up there, but that's about an hour away. All right, gotta get. So if you look up top, I'm gonna zoom in, you can see an orange pack up on the next bald, and I can see somebody else coming into the bald. That's where we're traveling. It's over 500 feet in elevation change. Gotta get rolling. Yep. So I'm zooming in. That's where we were just eating our lunch, and we climbed all the way up here, and you can see Fontana Lake down there. There's Fontana Lake. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful, and I'm not even at the top yet. So you can see over on that other ridge, two people backpacking right there. And we'll be climbing over there next. And in the distance is Klingman's Dome. And this is the top of Rocky Top. Absolutely gorgeous view today. 360 degrees of beauty. That farthest peak right there's where we started this morning, Mollies Ridge. And we're going to Derrick Knob shelter tonight. I hope the camera picks this up, but this is the kind of ice that comes out of the side of the mountain. It's like fingers almost. Very cool. So most of the day we've been looking southeast. This happens to be a view of the trail on the northwest side. And this is what the trail looks like. Gotta get rolling. This might be considered a widowmaker.